Hi guys, it's ASBYT and you can probably barely see me over this box. But that's okay, because in here we have some bestial products for the iPhone XS Max and the Samsung Note 9 as examples, Pixel 3 and 3 XL, and a few other phones, and you'll understand where we're going with this in a second. So I've been told anyway. What am I doing here with this? Casual. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. So red today again. It's so warm in here. I need to get some new lights. Cooling lights. I don't know exactly what's inside. The company who sent this is called Mophie, and they were just like, do you want this stuff? And I was just like, yeah, send it across. We'll see what's inside. We'll do a bit of a mystery unboxing for you guys. The unboxing knife. And let's crack this open. That's a bit better. You can actually see me now. So in here we have, let's just get this out and bring it on the table in a second. Wow, we have quite a lot of stuff by the looks of things in here. Now I'm also going to be giving all of the contents in this box away to one lucky person. I will be running that giveaway over on my Instagram, ASB_YT, so make sure you go over there if you're interested, and one lucky person will be winning all of the contents inside this box. We have, oh, it's just fallen out. And actually, they're like little drawers. So, in drawer number 1. Very nicely presented, I must admit. And in here we have ChargeStream Power Station Wireless and Power Station Wireless XL. So 43 hours of battery or 34 hours of battery. That is pretty cool. Nice little matte black product there. I can honestly say this is one of the bestly packaged is not a phrase. Come on. The best packaging of a product I've been sent. Really, really nicely put together. Now we're going to go to drawer number 2. And in here we have a ChargeStream vent mount. So that's for your car. So wireless charging for your phone in your car. Again, just in here. Pull it out, clip that to the vent of your car. Job's a good one. Drawer number 3. The standard Apple Fast Charge right there. So wireless Apple Fast Charge in here. The sort of ice hockey puck that we're used to seeing with wireless charging pads. What's in drawer number 4 or 5? I feel like I'm playing Deal or No Deal with Noel Edmonds. So we've got another ChargeStream Pad Mini this time. And that really is a diddy little device, I must admit. Very small. And the final drawer of 5 is the real accessories section. So we have like all of your mounts and your adapters here, and we also have a little USB there with Mophie on the front here. Also, while we're on an accessories video, a lot of you guys recently in other videos have been asking me what are the translucent cases that I've been using on the Samsung Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max, for example, and these are the ones here. I will leave both of them listed and linked in the video description below. They are both from Amazon, so you can go through and check them out if you so wish. I will leave a link to Mophie's website in the video description below if you are interested in any of these products, which ensure fast and convenient wireless charging that is optimized for Apple, Samsung, or any other Qi-enabled smartphones. I must say a massive thanks to Mophie for sending all of this across because, like I said, it's probably the most professionally packaged and just generally enjoyable unboxing I've done. So all other companies, take note of what they've done because it has made this unboxing very enjoyable for me. I hope it was enjoyable for you as well. If you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, smash the like button for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, pretty much daily content here on YouTube. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.